titanium slabs secured on conveyor 2.
Acknowledged. Proceed to next shipment.
Look at this data point here.
That indicates a minor alignment issue on the secondary arm.
Check the tolerances on line 3.
All parameters are stable, alignment is perfect.
The heat seal on line 3 is running slightly warm.
I see the adjustment. It should stabilize in the next cycle.
Millimeter accuracy achieved. The closure looks perfect.
Yes, the 4K detail really highlights the premium finish.
Every package is scanned, categorized, and redirected with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring seamless global distribution.
Confirming shipment 34B to loading dock 7.
Received. 34B clear for transit.
The titanium finish is incredibly durable, and as you can see, the camera array captures stunning detail even in low light.
Next shipment of orange titanium smartphones arriving at automated loading bay 3.
Check the reading on panel 4, it's fluctuating.
Rerouting coolant. It's stabilized.
In this controlled environment, precision engineering ensures that every frame achieves perfect structural stability before moving to the next phase.
The surface uniformity on batch 7 looks exceptional.
Confirmed. The new polishing sequence is holding the tolerance perfectly.
The synchronization is perfect today.
Yes, the calibration holds steady at 99.8% efficiency.
The titanium frames undergo a meticulous ultrasonic cleaning process, followed by high-pressure air drying.
The temperature in chamber 3 is chamber 3 is stabilizing right on target.
Spectral analysis confirms the coating is bonding perfectly.
Check the thermal gradient on this batch.
It's within optimal parameters, right on target.
We have a fluctuation on Unit 7.
Reroute complete. Readings are stable. Proceeding with the lock sequence.
Check alignment on Sector 4. The tolerance is slightly off.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
The haptic feedback on platform 12 is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The synchronization cycle is holding steady across all units.
Monitor the vibration harmonics on platform 7.
The titanium edges show no resonance drift.
The energy distribution looks stable in Zone 3.
Yes, the thermal system is responding exactly as expected.
The energy distribution here is stabilizing faster than expected.
Yes, the heat stability looks good across the board.
Look at the resonance graph here. Another pass on the drop test. This titanium holds up.
The thermal stabilization in Zone 3 is exceeding expectations.
Check the sensor array at the next checkpoint.
The latency on the multi-touch sequence is negligible.
Confirmed. All parameters are well within tolerance levels.
The finishing hall utilizes precision robotics and meticulous human inspection to achieve the flawless deep orange shine on the titanium surfaces. The finishing hall utilizes advanced robotics and human precision to achieve the perfect deep orange titanium shine on every device.
I'm seeing a microfracture on Sector 4 here.
The automated system flagged that too. Let's send it for level 2 analysis.
Phase alignment is holding steady across all units.
We have full activation. Cycle complete.
The energy flow is nominal. Good.
Maintain the current pulse sequence until completion.
The discharge rate on Unit 7 is stabilizing.
Yes, the thermal management upgrade is working as expected.
These usage patterns are significantly different from the last iteration.
Yes, the green graph indicates a higher discharge stability.
Monitor the energy flow on subarray 7.
Stable. All units reporting green across the board.
Look at the signal integrity here. It's exceeding projections.
Yes, the calibration is perfect.
Alignment is confirmed. Proceeding to the next unit.